Get into a car with value. 2022 Landrover Defender. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Be eager for the next adventure in this iconic Land Rover Defender, the premium go-anywhere vehicle that's purposeful, durable, immensely capable, and indulges you with luxurious, modern, utilitarian chic comforts and conveniences. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors. Explore your world boldly and beautifully in this distinctive Land Rover Defender. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.